Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your card on the Wells Fargo app. Let's get started. First, open your Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Enter your username and password in the login form and tap Sign On to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account's overview screen. Find and select the checking account that is linked to the debit card you want to lock. Tap on the account to view its detailed information. On the Account Details page, look for the Card Controls or Manage Cards option. This will take you to the Card Management section, where you can see all your connected cards. Find the specific debit card you want to lock and look for the Turn Card On or Off option. You'll see a switch or toggle button next to your card. If the switch is green, it means your card is currently unlocked and active. To lock your card, simply tap the switch to change it to gray. This will immediately, temporarily disable your Wells Fargo debit card, preventing new purchases and ATM withdrawals while keeping your account secure. You can follow the same process for any other Wells Fargo cards you have, including credit cards. When you're ready to unlock your card, just return to this section and tap the switch again to turn it back to green. Remember that locking your card doesn't affect recurring payments or previously authorized transactions, making it a great security feature if you misplace your card but don't want to go through the process of getting a replacement. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.